Hello, Caleb here from Parkit360. In this video, we'll show you how to install your spring clips to your unit's handle. This provides a convenient storage location for your unit's tightening bar when not in use. In order to install the spring clips to your trailer dolly's handle, you'll need the following: an electric impact driver and a 5/16" bit. The required hardware is found in your small parts bag included with your trailer dolly. This package includes 2 spring clips, 2 5/16" screws, and 2 fender washers. Take a spring clip and hold it with the 2 prongs facing upwards. Insert a 5/16" screw and slide on the washer behind it. The full assembly should look like this. Once you have your hardware assembled, locate the 2 mounting holes on your handle. On all of our Force, Transformer, and Scout dollies, you'll find one hole towards the top of the shaft and a second towards the bottom. Align the screw with one of the holes on your handle, then use the impact driver to secure it. When tightening on the assembly to your handle, be sure not to put it too tight. This could make the tightening bar more difficult to slot in. Repeat this process with the remaining hardware. Now with the spring clips installed, simply slot your tightening bar into place for easy access and convenient storage. If you experience any issues with your dolly, if anything's missing or anything appears to be damaged, please feel free to reach out to us directly. Thanks very much for watching the video today, and happy parking.